Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover your hacked Instagram account. Recovering a hacked Instagram account isn't that difficult if the hacker hasn't changed the email address and phone number associated with your account. We're going to show you 4 different ways you can use to recover your hacked Instagram account quickly. First, reset the password. Head over the Instagram login page and click on Forgot Password. Now enter your username, phone number, or email address. Then, Instagram will send you a login link and a link to reset your password on your registered email address or phone number. Click on Reset Your Password to change your Instagram password. No matter what device you use, the process for resetting your password will be the same. Second, check your email. Whenever Instagram notices any login from unrecognized devices, they'll send you an alert email to your email address. If you think that's hacking attempt and someone got access to your account, you can secure your account from the email itself. Third, request a login link. Go to Instagram login page and click on Forgot Password. Enter your username, email, or phone number associated with the account. Now, Instagram will send you a login link to your email address. Once you click on the link, you can access your account again. If the hackers have changed the email address, you can request a login link to your phone number as well. And fourth, verify your identity with Instagram. You can contact the Instagram support team and verify your identity to retrieve your account. If your account doesn't have any pictures, Instagram will ask you for the details such as your email address, phone number, or device type that you have used to sign in earlier. But if your account has pictures, Instagram will ask you to send a video selfie to confirm you're the account's real owner. So eventually, you would have to wait before Instagram completes the verification process. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.